simple run. This is part 3 of the Mom Life Cricut build. Go through and we'll paint the case on this one. You seen on the last episode we tore the case apart, got it all ready. This go through I do have primer. I'm not going to sand down or scuff the plastic. Hitting it with a couple light coats of primer should be enough to adhere the paint and really get a nice look. Worst case, we have to sand the paint down and re-adhere a coat or two, but be optimistic. I think it'll turn out really good. No, let's get to painting. The paint is done. It turned out amazing. I'm actually really happy with the transformation. Putting it all back together, you'll notice did not put the fan back in. I'm sure the InWin fan is fine, but I'm going to throw an Octawin in there just because, well, I can. So I plan on having an Octua cooler because you're allowed very slim coolers, so whatever CPU I put in there, I want it to keep it cool. I am most likely going to go Intel just due to being able to get more cores and an integrated graphics, something that AMD is currently not offering. Granted, that may change. We'll see how soon. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more, hit subscribe and like. Be finishing out this project, and I'll be continuing my SolidWorks projects as well. Thank you.